previous video, you have seen the properties of number systems, means whole numbers, even integers and rational numbers for all the operations. Now, we will continue with some more properties of rational numbers. When 0 is the additive identity of rational number. 0 is the additive identity of a rational number. And 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the number. Multiplicative identity of the number. Now, negative of a number. Negative of a number. So, this is called multiplicative inverse of the number. If a is a number, then minus a is a multiplicative inverse of a number. In the same manner, if a by b is a rational number, then the multiplicative inverse of this is b by a. b by a. So, here this is a by b multiplicative inverse is b by a. When you simplify, you will get the result as 1. Now, reciprocal of a rational number. Reciprocal of a rational number. If a by b is a rational number, then you all know that the reciprocal is nothing but changing the numerator as denominator and denominator as a numerator. So, the reciprocal of a by b is b by a. This is also called as multiplicative inverse of the number. Reciprocal is also called as multiplicative inverse of a rational number. The next property is distributive property. As we already learned, distributive property is of two types. One is distributive property of multiplication over addition and the other is over subtraction. So, over addition, it is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Over subtraction, a into b minus c equal to a into b minus a into c. So, this also satisfies here in the rational numbers. Now, let us see about number line. Already you learned this number line in integers. Number line. So, how will you draw a number line, children? You will draw a line like this. 0 in the middle, and to your right side all positive numbers, and to your left side all negative numbers. This you learned in your integers chapter. Now, how to represent a rational number on a number line? How to represent a rational number on a number line? Here you have two cases. Numerator less than denominator, numerator greater than denominator. Rational number is having a numerator and denominator. So, you need to take two cases here for drawing a number line. For example, if I want to draw a number line of 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. If you observe here, numerator is less than denominator. In this case, when numerator is less than denominator, your value lies between 0 and 1. Your value lies between 0 and 1. So now I want to represent the number line of 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. So how I will draw? First, as usual, I will draw a line and 0 in the middle. So here the numerator is less than denominator. So your number lies between, this lies between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. So here the positive number 1 I will write here, and here I will write -1. To your right side it is positive 1 and to your left side it is -1. Now I need to construct 1 by 3. Your denominator is 3. So draw 3 lines in the middle. Divide 0 and 1 into 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. As your numerator is 1, so the first line is 1 by 3. Negative is this side, minus 1 by 3. Did you understand, children? So when numerator is less than denominator, your values are definitely lies between 0 and 1. So you need to divide the number line into the number of parts of the denominator, and you need to choose a numerator value, and that line is your number on the number line. A numerator greater than denominator as an example. This is the second type of number line. 7 by 4 and -7 by 4. I want to represent these number line, these rational numbers on the number line. So here the numerator is greater than denominator. So first convert this rational number into a mixed fraction. If I divide 4 ones are 4 and 3 is the remainder, it is 3 by 4. Here it is -1, 3 by 4. So with this you can know that these rational numbers lies between 1 and 2. But because here 1 is a whole number, so it lies between 1 and 2. So how will you draw the number line for this? Draw a number line, 0 in the middle and 1, and here -1, and the last number is here -2, here 2. As your denominator is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the third line, as the numerator is 3, the third line is 7 by 4. Here it is, third line is -7 by 4. In this manner, you will represent the number line when numerator is greater than denominator. So for drawing number line here, you have two ways. One is numerator less than denominator, and the other is numerator greater than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, then definitely the numbers lies between 0 and 1. Whereas numerator greater than denominator, then you need to write it in a mixed fraction, and then you need to see in which the rational numbers is lies between. Now, let us see the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. See, if you take any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers between them. For example, if you take -5 by 6 and 5 by 8, there are infinite number of rational numbers in between these two. So now, let us find any two rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. To find that, you have two ways. One is making them as an equivalent fractions. The other one is you need to take the mean of those two rational numbers. So this I will tell you in making as an equivalent rational number. So what is the LCM between of 6 and 8? 6 and 8 LCM is, it's two table if I do, it is 3, 4. So 3 4s are 12, 12 2s 24. So the LCM of these is 24. So you need to make the denominators as 24. So -5 by 6 into, in 6 table when 24 will come. 6 4s are 24. So 4 by 4. So -20 by 24. In the same manner, for 5 by 8, it is 3 by 3. So 5 3 is 15 by 24. So now the denominators are same. I asked you to write two rational numbers between. So minus 20 by 24, and some rational numbers are there till 15 by 24. So middle any of the numbers I can write as a rational numbers. So minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, or here 14 by 24. So I can write a number of rational numbers in between. This is one way of finding rational numbers between two numbers. Now let us see with the mean of the two rational numbers. If I take 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 as a rational numbers, mean is nothing but adding and dividing by 2. Why? Because we are finding the rational numbers between the two numbers. So you need to add them. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So the LCM is 4. So 1 plus 2, it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is one of the rational number which lies in between these two rational numbers. See, this 3 by 4, I told you I need to divide it by 2. So if I divide, this is also a denominator, it is multiplied by 2. So here it is 3 by 8. So here in a number line, you have 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 3 by 8 is one of the rational number between these two rational numbers. So in this way also you can find rational numbers between any two rational numbers.